Okay, so completely unprepared, but what the hell. This is a Fysetc Prusa Mini kit that was ordered from 3D Printers Bay last week. So, let's see what we got. As with most printers these days, it does not, and I say again, not come with printed parts, which I find to be interesting and annoying. If you had a 3D printer, you wouldn't need to buy another one. By the way, I've got a row stock sitting there and a resin sitting over there. So in the box, we have power cord. Good deal. We have a standard wide carriage for Prusa. PEI sheet. You would think it was going to be smooth on one side, textured on the other. Get to thinking. Heated bed plate. It's already got the little cable cover on it. And boxes. I had to guess from the weight, I'd say these are motors. Nope. Wrenches. Other miscellaneous parts. Power supply. Bearings. I've already got a ton of bearings. More bearings. Extruder parts. Couple of fans. Belt. Hot end. Wow. Small screws. Not bad. Another box. Ooh. Motors. Yeah, where are they? They are nothing. No Moons motors, no LDO, just plain NEMA, just like now 17 motors. This one. What a gamey little display. Power. Heat sink. Body board. Okay. Screws in 1, 2, 3. Two for the Y carriage to go next to the smooth rods. One for the Z. Smooth rods and cable sheeting. So 2 smooth rods, the 2 looks like 10 millimeter T10, T8, yeah, T10s are going to go for the Z-axis. No, The two T10s go for the X-axis, then two for the Y, two for the Z, and then just miscellaneous little shielding parts to keep up for cable management. And that about does it. So this was a Fysetc Prusa Mini clone ordered from 3D Printer Bay. We'll have to do a follow-up and see how this works when we get it put together.